Hi everyone, welcome back. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, I am so excited. I cannot believe that today is the day. I've been waiting such a long time for this lounge makeover. As you can see behind me, my new couches have arrived. They are gorgeous. So we're gonna get into this video now. I'm gonna show you what they look like and then we're gonna get going with the makeover. Since my couches were so light, I decided to protect them with some Scotch Guard. So when you apply Scotch Guard, there are instructions at the back of the bottle, but basically these legs were wooden and Scotch Guard does damage wooden legs. So I had to just tape them off and then I just sprayed 2 light coats across the whole couch. I also remembered because there were pillows on here, I took the pillows out and sprayed both sides of the pillows. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this living room makeover as much as I did. If you didn't check out my other videos, I actually did a couple of DIYs of pieces that I used in this living room. So definitely go check that out. I'll see you next week for another DIY. Bye!